Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel Tyro's buddy-Anila. Before moving into the video, don't forget to click that red color subscribe button and hit that bell icon and press all, and if you turn that black like icon into blue, it will motivate me to make such more videos. And today I was thinking of making idli powder, so I thought to share this recipe with you all. So let's get started. And for making this recipe, I have taken half a cup of urad dal, 1/4 cup of chana dal, and 10 to 15 red chilies. It's according to your taste, and 1/4 teaspoon of hing. Make this at your home and see how your family loves this idli podi or idli powder recipe. First we will heat a pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil. Now we'll add urad dal and chana dal and we'll roast them well. Now the color has been changed, you can see well. And now I'm adding red chilies. Now asafoetida, hing. And add some curry leaves. It's optional, and if you want you can even use sesame seeds. Here I am skipping it. Now just roast them till 2 to 3 minutes, then off the flame. Now it's done and I have off the flame. Now just leave it to cool completely, then we'll grind it. Now it's completely cooled down and I am going to grind it. Now I'm going to add this into mixie grinder and I'll just grind it and show you. After adding all the ingredients, we will add some salt to taste. And now it is completed. You can see the texture. You can mix this with oil or ghee and just serve it with the dosa or idli. You will love it. Just try it once and just tell your comments in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. Thank you.